My Disney Stars and Friends Level 2, Unit 9, Lessons 3 and 4. Feelings, feelings. Tired, tired. Not tired, not tired. I am tired. I am not tired. He is tired. He is not tired. She is tired. She is not tired. I am not tired. I can swim. I am not tired. I can climb. I am not tired. I can jump. I am not tired. I can run. I am tired. I can't swim. I am tired. I can climb. I am tired. I can't jump. I am tired. I can't run. Colors. It's black. It's black. It's white. It's white. It's orange. It's orange. It's pink. It's pink. It's purple. It's purple. It's brown. It's brown. Shapes. It's a circle. It's a circle. It's a square. It's a square. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. Great job! Goodbye.